This video describes how to use the save and citation features in the Credo reference database. At the top of any article in Credo, you'll see a group of icons to work with this article. This video will focus on the save and citation features. The save icon will not download this article. Instead, it's like a shopping cart on a website. Before you close the database, you'll have to do something with your saved articles. They won't save to your next session. To view everything you saved, click on Saved Items at the top of the page. We recommend using one of the first two options. To email yourself an article, leave Email checked and check the full text box. Select the citation format you're using, and the email will include the citation for the article. Fill out the form and click Go. To download the article as a PDF, click Print PDF and check the full text box. Select the citation format you're using, and the PDF will include the citation for the article. Click Go and download. To copy and paste the citation, go back to the article. You can scroll all the way down to the bottom of the article or click on Citation at the top of the page. Select your citation style, highlight the citation, right-click your mouse, and click Copy. Paste the citation into your Word document, but always be sure and double-check the citation. Our next video will cover how to make sure your Credo reference citation is in correct MLA format. If you have questions about using Credo reference, contact a librarian.